Then check this out.
Ready now?
Hey people, Kiara here from Outdid Your Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we're only going to be using one account. People that know about My Lead Gen Secrets usually use multiple accounts, but we only using one because a beginner would just start with just one account. And I want to show the type of results they get if they just started. You may make more than me, you may make less than me, but this should be around the general idea of what you be making, right guys? Alright, so if you're interested in following along, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first I want to talk about the reason why I like promoting the $25 business is because it's essentially a funnel builder. It's a very nice product. And the funnel builder has no limitations on it. You can do whatever you want with it. You can make as many pages as you want. You can make as many funnels as you want. And it's very easy to connect domains, make subdomains, so on and so forth, right? And it's only $25 a month. And the most popular funnel builder out right now is on ClickFunnels, and it's $97 per month, and it has a ton of limitations. That's already like an incentive to buy this product, just showing it to people. And if you want to get rid of those limitations on ClickFunnels, you have to pay $300 a month, which is absolutely asinine, and I used to pay it. I don't anymore. But yeah, that's the first reason. Now the second reason, I think the reason you guys are interested and why I was initially interested in promoting this product is because it has a 80% recurring commissions. That's 80%, not just 80% commissions, 80% recurring commissions. Basically, your sellers pay every month when they stay in the system here, and it's insane. It's very good, and I love it. And I think you guys, this is the most lucrative thing to promote right now, period. I'm using minimal effort to promote it. I'm making hundreds of dollars a month, guys. Minimum effort, hundreds of dollars a month. Think about that. What you could do. I know you have ideas on how to promote it. Just try it, see what happens. It's a ton of ways to do it. And you can just add on. You can make multiple TikTok accounts. It's a ton of ways, but I'm just sticking to the bare minimum. All right, guys, so let's look at our results here. Refresh the page. Okay, looks like we did get a sale yesterday, guys. You see that?
Nice.
Yeah, I think we got a sale yesterday, baby. All right, so yeah, that's the type of news you want to see, man. And it's very great and grand, and we've been doing well lately, honestly. And I'm loving it, right? We hadn't had a official brand new sale in a while. Most of the money we've been making lately have been recurring. I think I might have got a sale one of these days, but most of it been recurring. This is a brand new sale, I believe. And you guys will know based on the thumbnail if it's a brand new sale. But yeah, man, this is working for me, guys. I got 120 coming this week. I got another 220 coming next week, guys. I get paid every week, by the way. Also, by the way, I want to speak on one more thing here. Make sure people refresh when they show you their results, guys. It's very easy to change all these numbers around. All right, guys? All right, now let's get to it here. All right, we're going to go back to the mailing system here. We're going to click all our leads here. And we made a new email last time here. I guess this is the next one. What we're gonna do, we're gonna load this up. We're gonna try to make a new email here, guys. Just gonna delete this here. We're gonna come up with a new title here. So we're gonna look on the page here, try to find something a little bit newer here. Proven multi. We're gonna copy this. We're gonna put it in Quillbot, spin it a little bit. And it also shorten it a little, which is good because it's gonna be the title here, so we just paste that in. Exclamation mark right there. Yeah, I like that. Now what we're gonna do here, essentially, we're just gonna delete most of this here. we're gonna keep this right here. This is fine to keep, but we want to get some more information here. Gonna go past that. Copy. All right, so we're gonna post this right here. This looks pretty good. So we're gonna spin this a little bit, but we just copied here. All right, we at 125 words. I'll knock it down to 116 words and 6 sentences. Great. That. Then we go in here, just boom, paste that in. Gonna unlock it. We just bold in certain words and stuff to make it kind of stand out a little bit more. And what we refer to as aftermath. All right, so that's pretty good, right? So we're gonna just change our link. Join. I'm gonna put something like join the Magic Income Stream. I'm gonna put something like that. Boom. And we're done. And the link you want to use, guys, is the one I used to get to this page here, which is gonna be all-in-one $25 business, guys. You want to use this link. This is the link that promotes both recurring products in this system, the $20 one and the $100 ones, making you $120 per month. I've been getting asked a lot of questions where I'm getting these $100 per month sales from, and it's still the same product here. What happens is, guys, what is happening is that a lot of people that join also get the 125 month starting for 2 weeks here. They also get this, and within 2 weeks they start paying the 125, which will give me $100. So that's what's going on, guys. So I'm promoting the same exact page. I'm not promoting different pages. I'm promoting the same thing. I just want to make sure I make that clear, because I saw there was some confusion with that in the comments at a certain point. So anyway, guys, that's all I do. This is a brand new email just like that, guys, and we just make sure we hit perfect timing. We make sure the link works here real quick. Boom, it works. That's all it takes. Kind of done, guys. That's all it is. I'm gonna just copy it just in case it don't work, and we're gonna just hit perfect timing. Make sure what you got perfect timing check, because what it does is send emails around the time people check emails. So anyway, we're gonna send an email. That's all there is to it, guys. Boom, we're done. That's it. It's easy. It took no time at all this morning, guys. Made a brand new email for you guys to use. Y'all can copy this, pause it wherever you need to be paused at, but that's the whole email right there. So that's all you need to do, guys. I'm making hundreds of dollars a month doing this. You guys could try it too. Links are in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time. Peace.